Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a nice case of PVC ablation. Actually, this is his third session. The first session he had PVCs from the left coronary cusp. The second session was about 2 years after. He had the same PVCs from the left coronary cusp and another morphology of PVCs like the one we see here. The second session we did ablation from the left coronary cusp and the catheter was dropped immediately on the كان في السبتم post-receptor region of the left ventricle.
In papillary muscle.
Papillary muscle. Post-medial papillary muscle. And was ablated the first two sessions by CAR2, but today we could not get a CAR2 catheter, so we did it conventional. Salah and Dr. John did this nice case. Salah explained the localization of the PVC.
We can appreciate on the 12-lead resting ECG a positive R wave in V1 and a superior axis and RS in AVL and odd axis.
Odd axis.
Yes. Actually, we can see also the transition. We can see a QS from V4 to V6, which QS, yeah, in the PVC, which indicates that it's a mid cavity to apical region of the LV. Yes, which means left side. But QS till V6, it means that it is mid to apical LV.
And this is the north,
no man's land.
No man's land.
Northwest axis.
Northwest axis.
We did mapping. Dr. John did nice mapping.
We decided to do it conventional because of the unavailability of catheters nowadays.
Okay.
John?
One thing I'd like to highlight that these odd axis is not suggestive of posteromedial papillary muscle. It's and not the anterolateral papillary muscle. It is in between both papillary muscle. So when I went the catheter inside the ventricle, I go to about 5 o'clock, 4 to 5 o'clock in LAO view. To get such here this nice potential pre-QRS complex during the PVCs, as we can see, it is about 34 millisecond, and inside during sinus there is also this a nice potential which is mostly Purkinje potential.
So this is Purkinje potential PVCs. We want to see the beginning of the recording. We are here in the waiting. We have been 19.
And other thing is that when we start to ablate, we get a PVCs. This starting of ablation, as we can see, these are the clinical PVCs, and the next is catheter induced. We could appreciate that. Almost identical, except this is more wide than such the clinical PVCs. And immediately after ablation, the clinical PVC is gone, and all the only present is the firing
during ablation.
Yes.
And this is catheter induced. As you can see, the spiky ده يعني على طول تلاقي إن من مكان القسطرة هو ده very spiky potential. This is the catheter from bumping in the same area.
Yes. I will show you the.
هنا طبعا, as you can see, on fluoro, on running the machine, no PVCs. Show us the beginning of the study when he had, give us less speed. هنا before catheter induction.
It's on quadrigemini. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Here we can.
Almost.
Yeah, almost. And here now no PVCs, and we can hold this now. Show us on the floor.
Yes.
Because this study was not.
Here is the location on LA view. As we can see, it is at about 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, and is mid cavitary. Actually, yes. Yes.
The QS in V5.
Yes. RAO view. RAO view. 1 minute. This is the RAO view.
Yeah.
mid cavitary. It is not the posteromedial usually here and the anterolateral here. It is in between and mid cavitary, and in LA view. This here the posteromedial and here the anterolateral.
Very good. Doctor?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.